Stop leaving money on the table. Amazon might be crowded, but Walmart is the Wild West. And with Helium 10, you can get the sheriff badge. All you have to do is just look at these tools because nobody offers these. And the first one is going to be Cerebro, profit analysis, advertising management, keyword tracking, and X-ray, right? What you can do with these tools is going to help you generate more sales on Walmart. The great thing about Walmart is it's pretty easy to succeed if you understand how to use it and have the right tools. The first tool is going to be X-ray. It's a Chrome extension. And if we were selling, let's say, something like Dyson, and we wanted to sell a vacuum, maybe a competitor to Dyson on Walmart, because there's not that many competitors on Walmart right now, what we could do is just say, okay, how much money are they making, right? We want to see first and see what market share we can take. So we would click on one of their items, and I already clicked on this one. So restored premium Dyson, the reviews aren't the best, right? Just being completely honest. But if we go to the extension, what we can do is click on it and click product research. And this is one of the only tools that will tell you how much money they're making per month. And we can check right here, Dyson. Let's move this over. Should move out. Images, the review count, and then Walmart revenue. And you can see just this product alone is making $700,000 a month on Walmart, which isn't too bad. So Walmart and Dyson are definitely making a significant amount of money. So yes, a premium vacuum would be a great idea. Then we can look at another competitor, or here's another listing, and then we could do the reference this one to see how much this one's making. Again, I'll do it again. And it's great to see that this tool has been becoming better and better because it gets the price. It also tells you the UPC code. If they sell it on Amazon, it gives you the Amazon ASIN, so you can look that up. This one's making around $800,000 a month. Oh, there you go. There's the Amazon listing right here. So we can check it up on Amazon too. And there it is on Amazon. Oh, wow, this is a terrible listing. But on Amazon, there it is. So that's pretty much one of the strongest tools for product research because almost nobody has that. There is a link in the description for a discount if you wanted to try out Helium 10. But of course, we're going to be looking into the keywords. So if we were going to launch this, what would we want? We would want to figure out what keywords are they ranking for, right? Are they running Walmart ads? That's a good question. If they are, what keywords are they running for ads? All of these are great questions. So you're going to copy pretty much the listing ID right here. Once you copy that, we're going to go into Cerebro, put it right here. This is in Helium 10. Click Get Keywords. And then what it's going to do? Oh, not found. Let me do it again. Here we go. Get Keywords. I think I did the wrong one. Let's do, yep. There we go. And then what we can do is actually see the keywords that they're ranking for. Now, their sponsored keyword rank is 0. This means that this product in particular is not running any Walmart ads. But what we do know is we can see what keywords they're ranking for, and we can see their search trend score. So we can rank this from the highest to the lowest. The higher it is, pretty much the more popular it is on Walmart. And we could see, is there anything that doesn't have Dyson? And here's the third highest right here. Handheld vacuum cordless with powerful suction. People are typing this in on Walmart. They're buying it. And you could totally rank for this keyword. This is a good one because it doesn't have Dyson in it. Pet vacuum cleaners for pet hair. Handheld cordless vacuum. A lot of different things that you can rank for. And this is going to get your pretty much a great idea because you have the actual data. You're not just guessing. One of the other tools is where you can connect your platform. So you can connect Amazon, TikTok, Walmart, and pretty much do the same stuff that I showed you. Amazon, Helium 10 has a lot more tools. But the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the actual profit right here. So this one is the actual ad. So this is one of the ads platforms. You can see Helium 10 ads. This is where you can actually manage your Amazon ads and your Walmart ads here, which is very nice. You can kind of switch between the both. But once you do that, you can kind of go through your campaigns and manage and help optimize a lot of your campaigns here instead of actually going into the platform because you know Walmart's very clunky. Change the bidding strategy, the settings, the start date, what your budget is, how much sales you've gotten, all this spend by sales. This is a great way kind of just to filter through everything and optimize your campaigns, especially if you're doing a lot of campaigns and selling a lot of items. So this is for ads. The next one is keyword tracker. So if I was trying to compete against them, maybe I could check their keywords and just monitor and see how they're doing. So right now I just put in a couple keywords. You can add products, put in some keywords. This is just for tracking purposes to see how they're doing as a seller, right? Do you want to add that keyword in? What keywords are they ranking for compared to what you're ranking for? So you can download a list of keywords that you have in your listing and see if they are also ranking for those. And you can see I just started kind of putting this in. That's why it only says one right here. But it does have a video walkthrough at the end of the day. And this is not last but not least, which is going to be the profits, which is super important. If you're not making money on Walmart, then you're not going to be in business for long. So tracking your profit is definitely something you want to do, so you can see how much is your expenses, how many units are sold, and things of that nature. That's going to help you in the long run. So Helium 10 is really good, and Walmart does have a lot less competition. That's why it's been so easy for a lot of sellers. I don't know how much longer it's going to last. It seems like they're copying Amazon day to day. Right now, their monthly subscription fee is $0. I doubt it's going to stay that at this point, but the early bird gets the worm. The earlier you are in this platform, the easier it is to succeed. And we do specialize in Walmart as well as Amazon. You can click the link in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We're consultants, but we'll also help you manage your account, optimize your listings, remove counterfeits, ads, implement it into Helium 10. You name it, we got it to increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.